Okay, and today we're going to cook the porridge in the cooker. We measured the cereal, the oats, and the water. Put it in the cooker. Close the lid. Plug it in. Set it to boil and set the time. Boil porridge time at 15 minutes, and we push start. That's it. Let's add some salt. And now the cooker will cook for us our porridge. Yeah, it will do all the job on its own. Okay.